Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting details about the GeForce RTX 5090, the latest powerhouse in NVIDIA's lineup. This next-gen GPU is built on the cutting-edge Blackwell architecture and boasts an impressive 170 SMs, amounting to a staggering 21,760 CUDA cores. This significant upgrade promises to deliver better performance compared to its predecessor, the RTX 4090. Equipped with 32 GB of GDDR7 graphics memory and a 512-bit memory bus, the RTX 5090 offers a remarkable 1,792 GB per second bandwidth. With a total graphics power, TGP, of 600 watts, it packs quite a punch, consuming 150 watts more than the RTX 4090. This increase in power ensures that the GPU can handle the most demanding tasks and deliver smooth, high-quality performance. Manufactured using TSMC's advanced 4nm FinFET process, this GPU is designed to handle even the most demanding tasks. The smaller manufacturing process allows for more efficient power usage and better performance, making the RTX 5090 one of the most advanced GPUs on the market. It supports PCIe 5.0 and DisplayPort 2.1, ensuring compatibility with the latest technology standards, making it future-proof for upcoming advancements in tech. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, the GeForce RTX 5090 is expected to deliver exceptional performance, even at 8K resolution. This high resolution ensures that you can enjoy the most detailed and immersive experiences, whether you're playing the latest games or working on high-resolution video editing. The RTX 5090 is built to handle it all with ease, providing you with the best possible performance. With these impressive specifications and advanced features, the GeForce RTX 5090 is set to make a significant impact on the GPU market. It offers high-end performance and cutting-edge technology that will appeal to both gamers and professionals alike. The combination of power, efficiency, and compatibility with the latest standards makes the RTX 5090 a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their system. Stay tuned as we explore more about what this incredible GPU has to offer. The GeForce RTX 5090 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of GPUs, and we can't wait to see what it can do. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and detailed reviews on the latest tech advancements. Stay tuned as we explore more about what this incredible GPU has to offer.